The UPM Taurus Project, a logistical challenge of unprecedented dimensions in Uruguay. 3.5 years of extensive planning and execution with 22 breakbulk shipments from around the world, 8,000 containers, 174 oversized heavy lift components. The equipment needed for UPM's new world-class pulp mill in Uruguay. Deugro, together with dteq, developed and executed a complex transport solution to move nearly 250,000 freight tons through 230 kilometers of South American backcountry. The client presented 2 logistical requirements. First, consultation, including an overall logistics concept and an in-depth route study and analysis to enable the highest possible degree of prefabrication. Second, the actual execution, starting with bundled shipments, mainly from China, Estonia, Finland and Germany, executed during a time of global pandemic restrictions and supply chain turmoil.
Because of the challenging market situation, it was necessary to ship the cargo in bigger lots than expected. deugro reacted flexibly, and we found an out-of-a-box solution by combining the breakbulk shipments with containers on the same breakbulk vessels. In this way, we solved the space issues and avoided extremely high freight charges, although this resulted in a more complex planning for us.
The containerized overseas cargo was offloaded in Montevideo, whereas the heavy lift units were discharged at Frei Bentos, followed by road transport via Baigorria to UPM's new plant in Paso de los Toros. Once the heavy lift cargo arrived at UPM's existing pulp mill in Frei Bentos, the massive units were maneuvered through the active work environment to a dedicated storage area. After assembling the convoys, prioritized by need at the construction site, the road transit started, only allowed during busy daytime hours. This called for a complex concept, including construction of highway and bridge bypasses, reinforcement of structurally weak sections, and the relocation of street furniture to minimize impact on everyday traffic.
We worked very close with the local authorities for over 2 years developing the transport concept so we can take it from an idea to reality. Many engineering studies were performed, such as structural analysis on bridges, traffic studies, geometric designs, which helped in forming a global picture on how the project would be performed for the authorities, so we can be aligned with the project team and provide a green light to proceed with the design phase of the project.
To cross a reservoir of the Rio Negro River, dteq designed and installed a sophisticated modular self-propelled barge. This engineering masterpiece enabled heavy cargo crossings without a hitch, completing a total of around 700 crossings while minimizing the operation's footprint on the nearby dam and adjacent infrastructure. Once rolled off at the custom-built jetty, the cargo convoyed to the job site of the UPM2 plant in Paso de los Toros in central Uruguay. The new mill has increased UPM's pulp production capacity in Uruguay by over 50%. It has created more than 8,000 new jobs, generated significant amounts of renewable biomass energy, and increased Uruguay's GDP by over 2%. The success of this mega project is thanks to the interdisciplinary teamwork across all project partners.
deugro was all the time very collaborative and technical solution oriented and a good partner for us, and that's why they were selected as a logistic partner then to the final execution phase as well.
deugro is an industry leader in turnkey project logistics for clients all over the world. We combine our best minds to define logistics and deliver safety. Please visit deugro.com and follow us on YouTube.